In 2020, Uniswap decentralized trade was at the focal point of the promotion around decentralized finance, DeFi. The stage sent off its local digital money, Uniswap, Uni, in September 2020. The symbolics cost blast, and in 2 or 3 days, Uni previously was in the main 40 digital forms of money by market capitalization. What is the eventual fate of Uni digital money, and what is a potential Uniswap cost expectation? Figure out in this video. What is Uniswap? Uniswap decentralized trade was at first delivered in November 2018. The stage is a DApp in light of the Ethereum blockchain, which empowers the trading of Ether to an assortment of ERC20 tokens. Uniswap boosts liquidity suppliers by giving them commission expenses. Uniswap cryptographic money was sent off in 2020 and presently is utilized for casting of ballot rights, basic terms of events, and so on. In 2021, the Uni token began its presentation amazingly, alongside the entire digital currency market. In January, Uni's cost was just $5, and before the month's over, this figure moved to $20. The symbolic cost came to the $30 point, as of now toward the finish of February. You can follow the Uniswap cost changes live in the gadget beneath. Why did the Uniswap project blast the year before? The most importantly reasons are the stage's ease of use and coordination with the MetaMask wallet. Additionally, the clients are in full control of their confidential keys. The other DEX's points of interaction were not so instinctive as the Uniswap's. So a robotized market producer has a publicly released code. There is no structure book or any go-betweens. That is the reason this decentralized stage makes the course of trade smooth and simple. Uniswap depends on the automated market maker, framework. Liquidity is made by pools with ERC20 tokens. Liquidity suppliers charge a commission on each trade, 0.3%. These expenses are diverted to the pool's hold store. Uni holders get 0.05% on each commission, while liquidity suppliers get the excess 0.25%. Uniswap isn't the principal project with however it most certainly advocated the advancement of this bearing, because of which other comparative conventions started to show up. Uni technical analysis. The cost activity has been explanatory alongside the entire crypto market for the beyond couple of months. The rate development is normal since Uniswap is sending off the third form, Uniswap v3. As per the clients through the TradingView stage, who are responsible for the Uniswap specialized investigation, anticipate Uni token to be on the main 5 altcoins list this late spring. They say that the individuals who contribute now get 3x benefit. Indeed, extremely bullish. Uniswap price prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Uniswap costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Uniswap will be $5.86. The most extreme level that the unit cost can reach is $6.71. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $6.09. August 2022, Uniswap price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the unit cost will be exchanged at $5.41 overall. August 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Uniswap worth to $5.76. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $5.18 in August 2022. Unit price forecast for September 2022. Crypto specialists have broke down Uniswap costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to September 2022, $5.52. The most minimal and top unit rates may be $5.33 and $5.97. October 2022, Uniswap price forecast. Crypto investigators expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the unit cost will be around $5.74. In October 2022, the Uniswap cost might drop to at least $5.51. The normal pinnacle worth may be $6.19 in October 2022. Unit price forecast for November 2022. Having examined Uniswap costs, cryptographic money specialists expect that the UNI rate could arrive at a limit of $6.48 in November 2022. It may, nonetheless, drop to $5.67. For November 2022, the gauge normal of Uniswap is almost $5.86. December 2022, Uniswap price forecast. Around mid-2022, the Uniswap cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $6.09. Crypto experts expect that in December 2022, the UNI cost could vary somewhere in the range of $5.86 and $6.71. Uniswap price prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Uniswap in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Uniswap will be around $8.72. The greatest expected unit cost might be around $10.26. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $9.02 in 2023. Uniswap price prediction 2024. In view of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Uniswap, in 2024, UNI is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs. About $12.53 and $15.20, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $12.98. Uniswap price prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of digital money have dissected the costs of Uniswap and their changes during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base unit cost could drop to $18.03, while its greatest can reach $21.75. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $18.68. Uniswap price prediction 2026. In light of the examination of the expenses of Uniswap by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least unit costs are normal in 2026. $31.92 and $25.87. All things considered, it will be exchanged at $26.62. Uniswap price prediction 2027. Crypto specialists are continually examining the variances of Uniswap. In view of their expectations, the assessed typical unit cost will be around $38.31. It could drop to at least $37.25, yet it actually could reach $44.99 all through 2027. Uniswap price prediction 2028. Consistently, cryptographic money specialists get ready gauges at the cost of Uniswap. It is assessed that